What's up, Q dolls and Q dons, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you'll be part of the queendom. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you an eyebrow tutorial, and I did my eyebrows two different ways. If you can't already tell, my makeup looks a lot different than it usually looks. So one brow is done one way and then the other brow is done in a different way. And so one eyebrow I think is a lot quicker to do. And then the other eyebrow, I think it takes a little bit more time and effort, but I will let you know my opinions on all of that towards the very end of the video. So let's get started on the nails. I got these press-on nails from Shein, and then I did all of the embellishments myself. So all of the rhinestones and I forgot what you call them, but the rhinestones and the stickers, and even the paint color is different. I changed those up to look like this. So if you are interested in seeing a Shein decorating nail tutorial, whatever, then drop it down in the comment section below. So with all of that being said, let's get into the video.
So first I'm starting out with NYX Brow Glue, and this is just to help move and lay the hair where you need it, and it won't move, you guys. So this is a game changer in my eyebrow routine. This stuff, it don't and it won't move. So please lay your brows down first before going in and coloring it in the way that you want it. Keep in mind that this is what we're calling brow A, so this is just the first step in the method of brow A. So then just decide if you want to use more of the old school sharpened brow pencil, or if you want to use more of a precise brow pencil. So I'm going to use the NYX Precise Brow Pencil, and I'm just making sure it's pushed up all of the way. I love the fact that this pencil already has a spoolie brush on the end of it, so no need to pull out another spoolie brush. And then I'm just going in and I'm creating hair-like strokes in the direction that my eyebrow hair is growing. You just want to fill it in to your liking and fill it in as much as you need to until you feel satisfied. So take your choice of either a darker brow gel or a lighter one. And I wish I would have used the lighter one, but I chose the chocolate brown one. And I'm just making hair-like strokes with the wand of the brow gel, just going in the direction that the hair of my brows is growing in, if that makes sense. Then taking a spoolie brush, you're going to go in and brush over where you applied the brow gel, and this is really going to make for more of a natural looking brow. It's going to help push the brow gel in and remove any excess brow gel. Now you can totally skip this step, but I'm going in with the lighter brow gel and going into the very inner corner of the brow, just to kind of give it the appearance that the brows have more of a faded look, but you can totally skip this step. And just like when you go in with any brow gel, go back in with a spoolie brush to blend and brush it all out to make the brows look more natural. Then taking an angled flat concealer brush, I am now going into the yellow shade actually, and I'm going to apply that all under my eyebrows. And you can totally skip this step. You do not have to use a yellow shade, but to me I find that this helps to brighten my under eye area, and that I'm able to easily mix it with one of the other colors in here to get the desired color that I need. But you really want to take your time to carve out your brows during this time, because when you carve out underneath the brow, that's creating the whole shape, the whole basis for how the brow is going to go. So take your time with this step, do not rush it through, and you will find that you have better results. So now I'm going into a shade that matches my skin color a little more, and I'm going to use this to mix with the yellow to blend it out, make a lot more natural. Again, you can skip that yellow step. You can just go a couple shades lighter than your skin complexion and your concealer, and that's going to make for a nice brightening effect of concealer underneath the brows. You definitely don't want to go dark underneath the brows for concealer, so try to keep it on the lighter side. And then I'm going over top in that same concealer shade that's more of my skin tone, and I'm going to carve out the top of the brows as well, taking my time, of course. Next, taking that fluffy blending brush, I'm going to go in and tap 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 all underneath of my eyes and above it where I applied the concealer, and this is going to blend out that concealer really well and make it blend into the skin beautifully and effortlessly. You want to be sure to use a tapping motion because it blends it in way better than dragging it like this. When you drag and pull the concealer, you're taking concealer off of the face and it won't be as effective. This again is brow A, and then this right here is brow B. Next, you want to take a setting powder of your choice, and I'm just using the Fenty powder in the shade Honey, and I'm taking a spoolie brush and I'm going in to brush the inner corner of the brow. Again, I want more of a faded look and effect. You can totally skip this step if the faded brow look is not for you, but I find that this makes the brow look even more natural, even more, effortless. And I definitely had to go back and to tweak this brow a little bit more to match the other brow just a little bit better. Once you finish your brows and have it to your liking, you can go in and apply a clear brow gel all over both of the brows to help set the brows and keep the brows from moving.
So if you've watched to the end of this video, my thoughts and opinions on what brow technique I like the most. Drum roll, please. Okay, so I actually like my older method a lot better. And even though they both came out really great, if you want your makeup to come out good, you have to spend some quality time with it. So this does take a little bit more time than the quick and easy way that I apply it now, but I find that this looks so much more natural to me. I mean, does it look more natural to you? Look at this brow and how natural it looks, and then look at this brow and it doesn't look bad. I still know what I'm doing, but it just doesn't look as flawless and effortless as this one. As much as I love doing quick and easier brows, I think I will start reverting back to the way that I used to do my brows. But as you can see, both results will give you nice looking brows. So comment down below if you prefer or if you like brow A or brow B. Also comment down below on what technique you like best. So brow A or brow B. That's all for my brow tutorial today, and I hope you all really enjoyed it. And if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed so that way you'll be part of the queendom. Please like and share this video if you care, and comment down below on what type of videos you would like to see next, or like I said, what technique are you excited to try or are you currently using. Let me know all of that good stuff in the comment section below. And as always, be gorgeous, be blessed, be queens, my dolls. And until next time, hasta luego.